Good morning, beautiful morning. I'm in Newcastle, Delaware today. I'm here at Bentley. Right now they have all three of my trucks in the shop being serviced. That one right there need new injectors, DPF filter, and a whole bunch of other stuff. With the cost of labor and everything, got a quote to have that one fixed in the next 30 days, $7,700. And again, that's just for the one truck. My Isuzu right here just came in. My guys were on their way from Philadelphia. They heard a popping sound. Then the truck wouldn't go over 55. So I'm hoping it's like a turbo or something like that. It has yet to be diagged. So we don't know what the estimate on that one's gonna be. You can see right here, this is the other 16 Move Crew LLC. And I have my 26 footer. I don't see it out here, so maybe it's in the shop right now being repaired. That one was involved in an accident about 3 weeks ago. Someone rear-ended me, took out my rear, caused a little over $3,000 worth of damage. Yeah, my truck has been down for over 3 weeks. No income coming on that truck. Still have to pay the payment and insurance. That's the cost of doing business. I ain't complaining. It's just the cost of doing business. So other than that, I'm not working right now. Got a doctor's note. Put me out for about 30 days. They wanted to check out my arm. It's been having a lot of pain. Maybe a torn rotator cuff. But again, that's why we have insurance for. And again, so it's been slow. As you see, pickup right here. Getting ready to head out. Now I'll check in again with you guys another time.